Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Rumah Belajar AhundrEd. In this video, I'm going to continue paper 4 IGCSE Math, October-November 2019. Okay, so let's do question number 2A with the point I until this, right? So this question we'll talk in another video. Okay, so let's try question number 2. The cumulative frequency diagram shows information about the time taken t second for a group of girls to each solve a math problem. Okay, so this is the diagram. So this diagram, the cumulative frequency, y-axis represent the cumulative frequency and x-axis, so this one y, so represent cumulative frequency, and this one represent x-axis or represent time and second, right? Now the question is, use the cumulative frequency diagram. So how do we use this diagram to find an estimate for the median and the interquartile range? Okay, so how to estimate median from this diagram? So what is median? Median is the middle value of data, right? So in this case, our cumulative frequency, the total cumulative frequency is 80. So to find median, but median, right, in a second, right? So means we find the median in median time, right? So cumulative frequency, the middle point. So 8 divided by 2, we have 40. So in 40, and then you find this in second, right? So when the cumulative frequency is 40, so what is this in time at second, right? Boom. So we'll be here, and then so you go down, sorry, so you go down, you have here, right? So how do you put the number here? So remember, in this square represent 2, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So represent 2. One box here represent 2. So 52 and 54. So the median is 54 second. You got it? And then interquartile rank. How do you find interquartile rank? Okay, so what is interquartile rank? Interquartile rank is the upper quartile rank you subtract with the lower quartile rank. So in this case, we need to find what is upper quartile. So upper quartile is 75% of data. So what is 75%? So 75%, so you can simplify with 3 over 4 times 80, because our total data is 80, right? So is it 20? 3 times 20 is 60. So when the data is 60, it represents the upper quartile. So 60 will be here. And then you find the time. Oh, it's exactly in the middle here, right? So you go down through the middle in this, right? And you go bumps here, right? So remember, one box represent 2 units, right? So 2, 4, 5. So it means for the upper quartile we have 65 seconds. And then next you find the lower quartile. What is lower quartile? Lower quartile is it 25% of data. It means you simplify 25% is 1 out of 4, right? Times 80. So is it 20? So the cumulative frequency, when cumulative frequency is 20, it means it represents the lower quartile. So you find 20 will be here, and then you go down for represent the second, it means will be here, and then this one represent 2, it means 2, 3, sorry, 2, 4, 6. So 36 seconds. 36 seconds. Now, to find interquartile rank is upper quartile. So upper quartile minus lower quartile is our upper quartile is 65 seconds minus 36 seconds. So it means we have 15, so this is 29 seconds. So our interquartile rank is 29 seconds. Okay, then for I, the 20th percentile. So how do you find 20 percentiles at a second, right? So 20 percentiles mean 20 over 100 times 80 data, right? So it means we have 16 1600 over 100, so you have 16. So in the cumulative frequency at 16, it represented 20 percentile data. So what is 16? So use this one. So to go for cumulative frequency, one box represent 1 unit. So 16 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be here, right? So it's go here for 60, 20% tile, and then this one you go down, you have 32 seconds. So you got 32 seconds. And then the last is the number of girls who took more than 66 seconds to solve the problem. So more than 66 second, right? So you go start from 66 because you find out how many people or how many girls take more than 66 seconds, right? And then from the table, so what is 66 second? 66 second, it means, okay, what's this? 62, 64, 66 will be here, right? And more than 66, it means when you go until, yeah, so until this, right? So it's you go here, you go up, sorry, here, and then you go here. Is it 61? And then because they ask is more than this, right? So it means until here, right? So you find out how many people in this. So it means 80 minus 61. So our 80 minus 61. So you have 19 people or 19 girls. Okay, so that's all for question number 2A. I hope you understand this concept and see you in the next video. Thank you.